Wayne and I'm a session drummer based in London. I'm originally from New Zealand but moved here in 2015. I have been playing drums for about 17-ish years and play for a range of different artists and bands over here in the UK. I'm super excited to be a part of the Collision Drumstick family. I currently play the 5AR drumsticks. I used to play just the normal 5A and I wanted to give the Reach a go, and I don't think I'll be going back. I love the little bit of extra length. It allows me to have a much better grip on the stick, and yeah, the bounce on these are amazing. Balance, they're paired perfectly, so one stick's not heavier than the other. There's nothing more annoying. You just kind of feel off when you're playing if one's heavier than the other. And yeah, the durability is amazing. I have been playing this pair for a couple of months now and they're still going strong. So yeah, they're also quite light. When you think of durability, you think heavy and solid, but yeah, they're quite light, super easy to play with, and allows me to move freely around the kit, because yeah, what else do you really want? One thing I really love about the Collision Drumstick team is the amount of support you get. They're there to help, whether you're beginner, professional, they're there to help you along your career, which is super exciting. I also love the great sense of community here at Collision. Everyone's here to support each other, other drummers, the Collision team, yeah, everyone just kind of wants to support each other and cheer each other on, which is, I think, super important in the industry. Today I'm going to be playing along to a neo hip-hop style track by Drumless backing tracks. Yeah, kind of a bit of improv to the track, which I love to do. So yeah, enjoy.